Pry open the passenger side cover. Remove the side-mounted fixing screws. Pry open the instrument trim panel. Pry open the bottom decorative panel of the instrument panel. Unscrew the fixing screw. Remove the trim panel. Unscrew the display screen fixing screw. Remove the display. Unscrew the bottom fixing screw of the saddle. Unplug the cable. Remove the saddle. Unscrew the CD host fixing screw. Remove the CD host. Unplug the original car power cord. I tore the power cord and connected it to the CD host. The other one, connect the original car power cord. Unscrew the fixing screw on the back of the display screen. Remove the back cover. Unplug the cable. Unscrew the circuit board fixing screw. Take out the circuit board. Unscrew the circuit board fixing screw. Take out the circuit board. Unscrew our hardware frame fixing screws. Take out the hardware frame. Unscrew the hardware frame cover fixing screw. Remove the cover. Install the original car circuit board fixing screw. Install the circuit board. Fixing screw. Cover with hardware frame cover fixing screws. Butted rivets cable blue facing up. You must insert the cable first. Connect the power cord of the motherboard again. Plug in 360 interface card slot cable and microphone cable. The microphone is next to the main driver's pillar. Power cord. Panel button line. There are two panel button lines. 15-16 models use this one. Use another one for styles 12-14. 2. Choose one based on the year. GPS antenna. GPS antenna is placed in the trunk column. 4 grams antenna. Install the motherboard frame. Fixed screw. Unscrew the button panel fixing screws of the original car display screen. Take out the press interface board. Install our display screen. Fixed screw. Power cord to main board. The original car main board plug is plugged back in the same way. Fix both screws.